If you're always on the move and have little or no free storage space left on your devices, being able to access your files from a cloud service is one solution. I use Dropbox, OneDrive and Google Drive. But as good as these service providers are, they don't give you a lot of free storage. So when I was offered a large amount of free cloud storage from my internet provider, I gave it a try. But it took me longer to set up than I had expected. And I had some unusual problems that I had to find workarounds for. If, like me, you have BT as your internet provider and you are struggling to fathom out BT Cloud, this video is for you. The best way to start is to follow BT's instructions. First, you have to go to registration, which is by using www.bt.com/mybt. Once you're logged in, you have to go to My Extras and you have to click on BT Cloud Panel to get started. Sounds very easy, so I'm clicking on the link. Then I'm taken to BT homepage. I've already logged in and I'm going to click to connect to my account. I am trying to connect using Google Chrome, and Google Chrome is my default browser because it's my favorite search engine. But for some unknown reason, I can't log in using Google Chrome, so I have to change my default browser, which means going to the start screen and then typing in default, then changing my default browser from Google Chrome to Internet Explorer. Now, if I go to my desktop icon for Internet Explorer, then search Internet Explorer for my BT login. And when I find BT login, if I click on that, then I search for bt.com and I put in my email address and my password and then click login. Magically, for some unknown reason, I can actually get to my account. So my BT, then I have to scroll down, and as I'm looking down, I'm looking for BT Cloud, and this is where the instructions are and the information that you need of how to use BT Cloud. And I'm going to click on Setup. Now I've already activated my cloud account. Then you need to go to www.bt.com/cloud/downloads and download the BT Cloud installer. Now I already have the BT Cloud program installed on my computer. It would normally save it into my downloads folder, but for the purpose of this demonstration, I've set that as my desktop. This is a Windows executable installer. You would need to use this executable file to install BT Cloud in the normal way. You can choose to have a desktop icon. I decided that I didn't want one. I'd rather have it on my toolbar. And here is the BT icon. To get it on the toolbar, go to your start screen, go up to All Apps, right click on BT Cloud, and then click on Add to Toolbar. If I move my cursor along the toolbar to the app tray, you'll see that I have a symbol for Dropbox and OneDrive, but I don't have a symbol for BT. But if I move back and click on the icon, you'll notice that in the app tray there is now a symbol for BT. and I can use that to access BT Cloud's dashboard. This screen is giving you a summary of my cloud storage. I can access sync, transfer, backup, music and settings. It's telling me I have used 6.5 gigabytes of storage and I have 1000 gigabytes of storage that I can use. It's telling me the percentage of that storage that's used by different file systems, and it's telling me that everything is in sync and it's all backed up. I can restore if I want to, and I can listen to uploaded music. The bottom line allows me to open BT Cloud website and to open BT Cloud sync folder. If I come out of the dashboard, come down onto the toolbar and move across, I can access the same information from here. If I now move along the toolbar back to the BT icon that I clicked earlier and then left click on it, I'm taken into this screen, which is the folder for BT Cloud on this PC. Any file or folder that is dragged into this screen or cut and pasted into this screen will automatically sync to BT Cloud. If then I remove that folder or file from this screen, it will be deleted from BT Cloud, but BT Cloud will save that file or folder in its bin, so that information isn't lost. And if you decide to restore that file or folder into BT Cloud, it will automatically reappear in this folder. There are several ways of adding files and folders to BT Cloud. Remember, BT Cloud is still running, and I'm going to come across to the icon tray and click on the BT icon. I want to open the BT Cloud website, so I'm going to click on that. I'm already logged into BT Cloud, so I'm taken straight into the BT Cloud dashboard. I can upload files and folders from my PC from here, or I can drag and drop them into this rectangle area here. There's a file and folder search facility here. Moving across to the My Activity drop down, I can access photo files, music, document, all my files, shared files, contacts and deleted items, which I left clicked and I'm taken into the bin. It's giving me the file name, the file type and the date that the item was deleted. Now I'm going to return to my desktop to show you another way of uploading files and folders to BT Cloud. I have an empty folder and 3 files on my desktop. I'm going to right click on one of the files, which opens up a drop down, and I'm moving down to where it says BT Cloud, and I can click on the copy to BT Cloud and that file will upload. Folders are different. If I right click on this folder, then come down to BT Cloud, I have 2 options. I can copy to BT Cloud, but I can also add to BT Cloud Backup. I left clicked on the last option, and now anything that I drag into this folder or anything I cut and paste into that folder will automatically be sent to BT Cloud. If I take anything out of this folder, it will remain in the same place on BT Cloud. Synced folders are not copied to the sync folder on my PC, but they are synced to the cloud. However, uploaded files are. To prove this, I will click on BT Cloud icon, and there is the file I uploaded. But there is no folder To find the copy of the file on my desktop and all three files, I need to go to the BT dashboard and enter BT Cloud, and there they are, all three files. Because these files are pictures, I need to go to the My Activity drop-down and then click on Pictures to view them properly. I have the option to share, make a slideshow, add to an album, download, make it a favourite, delete. Now I'm going to delete to see what happens. Now the image of the dandelion is very easy to get rid of, but no matter how many times I try to delete the image of the dolphin or the image of the butterfly, they keep reappearing. And if I go into my deleted folder, you can see that I'm getting multiple copies of the images that are in the desktop folder, but not the image that was outside the folder. By bringing my cursor to the top left hand of the screen, I can delete these files forever. But don't you believe it, or I can restore them. I can't delete some files because they're constantly being synced from the folder. To permanently delete these files from BT Cloud, right-click, go to BT Cloud and remove this folder from being backed up, and then you could remove them from BT Cloud. Now for something completely different. I'm going to show you the screen of my Android tablet, and I have BT Cloud installed on it. And for some obscure reason, there's no problem with search engines. All you need to do is go to Google Play Store and download the app. Log in with your email and password. When you log in, you'll be greeted with this screen. I am viewing these images from BT Cloud and any other images or information I have stored there. By clicking on the drop-down, I can view photos and videos, photos only or videos only. By tapping on the hamburger drop-down, I can view photos and videos, I can listen to music, read documents, see all files, see my contacts, view my activity, share, I can go to the settings, help, and I can log out. I'm going to tap on settings. Think of which boxes you tick, because everything that you tick is going to be backed up onto the cloud, but it won't be shared through cloud into your BT Cloud folder on your PC's C drive. If it did, your operating system would soon clog up. Everybody will have their own requirements from this app, and so their own way of setting it up. I prefer to have all my boxes unticked so that I have full control of what is uploaded and downloaded, and I'll show you how I do that. Now, there's no right or wrong way to use this app, it's just what works for you. I've closed the app, and then I'm going to make a sound file that I'm going to upload to BT Cloud. I prefer to transfer files this way. So that's my recording, and I'm going to come up to the symbol for share and tap on that, and then I'm going to go to see all and look for BT Cloud and then tap on BT Cloud. I'm going to return to my desktop. I'm coming down to the toolbar where I'm going to open the folder on my C drive where this file is stored. I prefer to transfer files this way. And as you can hear, this audio file automatically synced to this folder. That's one method of uploading a file from the tablet onto the cloud and then onto my PC. I'm going to return to my Android tablet's screen to show you how I view files and how I download files onto this tablet. I have loaded an image of a butterfly onto BT Cloud that isn't on this tablet. I am viewing this file from the cloud. If I want to download this image, then I need to touch the image to select it, then move across to the right hand side of the screen and tap on the download symbol, and then the file will be downloaded into a folder on this Android tablet. I am given confirmation that BT is preparing to download and that the download has now completed. If I return to the tablet's home screen, then tap on File Manager, I'll show you where the file is stored. The top left of the screen, I'm told I have one image. I'm going to tap on that. The .png file is stored in Cloud Downloads, and here is the file. I like to visualize what is happening, so I'm going to recap with pictures. Once you realize there are two filing systems, one syncs selected folders only onto BT Cloud, the other loads onto BT Cloud, then through the cloud and lands on your PC's C drive, it all should make sense. You can then view your information on your mobile device and choose to download any information you want to. To protect your data plan, the BT app has a setting that you can turn off data roaming. Is the app good? Yes, I gave it 5 stars. I hope this video has helped you. If it has, please like, subscribe and share.